Welcome back YouTube. This is a follow-up video for the new update 4.4 if Fortnite is not working after the new update. What I've decided to do is uninstall Fortnite off the system. It's currently downloading at the moment, so I'm going to give that a try and see if that works. So I'm going to wait for that to download and then get back to you and let you know if it works or not. So it's just downloaded. I'm going to press it for the first time. Oh, hold on, it's loading. So far, so good. And there you have it. So if you have got a problem where you've updated to the new Fortnite update, the 4.4, and it's not working, the best thing to do is uninstall it and then reinstall Fortnite again. As you can see, that's fully working now. I hope that helps someone out. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe.